Hi there. Hi there. What's going on here? Let me quickly share my screen first. And it's 9:37. I'm a bit late. 7 minutes late. That's okay. Alright. Let me quickly check the data. Do we have any data for today? So do we have any data for today? Come on. Come on. Holy shit, bro. It's fucking slow, bro. Let's go to X. What's going on the X? Are you kidding me or what? Nothing's opened besides my trading view. What do you think? Forex Factory? What do you want, bro? F8 extend. Let me check here. What the fuck, bro? 1788. Sign in. That's good. Delete everything. Go to the daily chat. How's the daily? Drop lower, respecting. It's good push to the upside, bro. So let me mark this high first. That would be one thing for us. It seems like a bullish. 4 hour. Yeah, lower liquidity not switch. Okay. Value. Just okay. Respecting this value gap again. Trade higher, close above this. Yeah. And let's keep on going higher towards this and this highs. So these are our highs for now, this one and this one in 4 hour. These are our liquidity zones. Let me draw this out. This one and so these two are our liquidity zones. So market is dumping all the way down. So reach this cap one more time. Fail to swap this low. Instead, start to record it back completely, reaching this high. Close above this family gap. This will be our change in the state in the high time frame. Let me check. What about 1 hour? 4 hour and what daily looks bullish. Okay, okay. So 75 DRT, hold, push lower, trade higher, again to the 75 DRT, good reaction, but fail to. What actually we can see here, it's respecting that inversion. Go all the way up to the 75 DRT, drop down, holding that inversion. Now it's trade higher towards this and this liquidity. Let me check after this what's going to happen. Do you have any fair value app in hard time frame? No, not really. There's some reaction towards downside, but it can see it's clearly holding the price. Now it's break this high. They almost reached that level, bro. 15 minutes, it's kind of expanding to that level. We have this inefficiency right there. Let me check after this what's going to happen. Okay, trade higher. Anything happened here? Something happened here around 12 o'clock. Good dump, good recovery, good dump, good recovery, good dump. Again, it's trade higher. You can see this fair value gap still intact, still holding, holding. Laterally break this high, take this level. Okay, market open. This will be a market open, drop higher, boom, trade into this level. That's good. Let me check what happened next. 9:44, the candle has been closed. If I go to 1 minute time frame, this is our internal liquidity. This will be our external liquidity, right? So what happened here? Chat? No, we can close it, right? Or you need to chat. Second screen. Okay. Okay. What I'm saying in 1 minute. Good push, good water. What the fuck? Strong close, right? Hmm. Oh, see, what is your wrong liquidity, bro? Just give me one, two, three answers. What is your wrong liquidity? So for me, this is internal, this is external, both has been taken and price keep on expanding higher. Sounds good. Okay. And if you really see this, this is the last swing, right? This is the last swing. Engineer some liquidity here. Drop all the way down to that last discounted 5 value again. What happened next? We got this inversion, this got this 1 minute change in the state. This is our 1 minute change in the state, and we got this inversion here and price trade lower, tap this breaker, good push. So this is our 1 and 2 liquidity zones in the downside, and, let's trade higher after this. Tap its trade higher, nice expansion move, break this level, created this imbalance. If we go to over 5 minutes, it's a good imbalance, good fair value, nice respect, and trade higher. So you could take these positions. So it's actually a really nice holding. We got our inversion here, and price rejected the nation. Nice displacement. Created a fair value gap. Let me go to 1 minute and check what happened. Drop lower to the fair value gap. We got our what? Clean inversion at market open. Let's keep on going. Oh, bro, it seems super easy. Really good push to the upside, right? It's already made all those things, right? That is no manipulation, just a continuation and hit this. Market open, right? Market open. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. So if you just go to this level, like what happened? So this is our draw, internal and external draw. Uh, you can clearly see this is a break, drop down, respecting this level, respecting the 5 minute, 3 minute fair value here. We got a clean inversion. We entered here for the stop at bottom, for the stop at this place. X and 30 and 30. So entry should be at 9:30. Take this high, what happened next? Take this high, and it's respecting this again. Hmm. Do I have an entry here? Or I don't have an entry. Honestly, I don't have an entry, bro. This could be an entry, honestly, according to the profile. This is a nice expansion move, nice break, nice fair value. We can go long on target this, and this size. Everything has been attained. And we got what? Nice reaction. Like it's already a model. Like it's already a model. It's already expanding towards higher prices. And we got a really good reaction. Holy fuck, what's this? Take something as I know. Something or what? Blue. Nice, like to the breaker. There's 3 minute, 1 minute, clean hold. Nice inversion. Entry here. If we enter here, it's already take this high. It's already untake this file. And both has been taken. What happened next? Nice try. Yeah, what's going on outside, bro? It seems like a storm, snowstorm. It's crazy snowing outside, and the wind is kind of very strong. Holy fuck. Huh. Again, the things one, two, three. Three liquidity has been taken. So now it's not that advisable for me to look for, but because if this is just a 9:30 manipulation, then guys will come here for sure. come here for sure. Come and take these liquidities. If this is real, like if this big gap, like this big expansion plus break, this 5 minute fair value gap is real, we can expect the next highs of draw on liquidity, right? So let me check. We can check them, we can watch them later. Later in the sense. After your session, you can watch what Taylor did, how he analyzed the market, what his plan, what he did. But I'm here to say you don't need to see everyone like each and everyone. It's not gonna be so everyone has different bias. I already noticed that. Everyone has a different bias. Everyone has different analysis, ideology, everything. So if you're planning to do that, it's not gonna be safe for you. So you can ask your friend like, what's your bias? What do you think? Why you entered here? What I think? Why it's not happened? What's the reason behind that? So how I can optimize this kind of days? So these kind of things and questions I had to ask to my friend and study that, note that, take some notes out of it, and journal that. Then and then only I can do something out of it, bro. If I'm not doing this kind of thing, if I want to skip this kind of things, one just check what he did, what Benjamin did, what Tyler did, what Tanya did, what everyone did, what PB, what who like whoever the different guys, what they did. If I'm just keep on looking to them, like everyone has the bias, everyone has some edge, everyone has an anti-model. Everything's ICT, but it's kind of a different person to person. So so far I developed some knowledge. So I know it for sure. It's working really good. There is no doubt about it. All I have to do is just be patient and to wait for my model to present. It's 99% like Justin Verlin, like what he did, what he's doing. That's it. Got it. So there is no confusion. If you are confused, if you don't know what is going on here, if you don't have the game plans, just be chill. Just be chill. Don't press the button. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait and watch what's going on. What is my entry? The entry should be fucking clear, bro. So high time premise seems super bullish, but it's inverted the fair gaps like here and it's keep on holding and pushing the price higher, holding, pushing the price higher. This is the first, this is the second. Everything has been taken and we get a good break, good recently formed fair value gap. Swept the high. That something is not good. If we want to look for keep on continuation. So, so this is will be your entry if you're not wrong. This is where you can enter and like around 942 and put the stop at this point and targeting this. That's actually good actually, but it's kind of premium, right? Because we already break this highs, and we have a clean target. And what we got here? This expansion, and we got this fair value gap, and it's respecting that close above this, and respecting this tiny this inversion and close above. So I entered. As soon as we reach this target, we we manage our positions. Like initial stop will be here. We manage our position to here. As soon as it's break this level, one more break, and it's created a gap. So let me check what's going to happen inside this gap, and I will just take some partials around this consolidation and move my entry to break even, and let me check whether this high for the day going to take or what. He could take this entry potentially, but for sure this is not my model. Right? For sure this is not my model. This is not I'm supposed to take, but it's actually a good entry, bro. Market open, inversion, good displacement, break all these levels. So as soon as it's close above this level, what happened? What we got? So we got this fair value, like this fair value respector. You can clearly see body stay above, just a wick respecting that fair value. We got this inversion, and you can clearly see the following candle respecting that close above. This will be your entry. This will be your entry. This candle close. So could be a Benjamin took this entry if I'm not wrong, and stop loss would be like stop loss would be like this. This will be a good stop, but let me put here and targeting. So this is the first. This should be the first target. Would be again displace higher. We can expect this will be our target. So this will be our target rate. This liquidity zone. Okay, this liquidity is our target. So as soon as price boom displays or more displacement, like as soon as we enter, what happened? Nice displacement like 943, 945. So it's created a gap here, and you can clearly see this I clearly broke, and displays higher, created these gaps. So inside this range, I need to be bullish. If it's get ran through, I can look for some sort of short on targeting this liquidities. Until then, I need to be bullish. You know that for sure. And price consolidate a bit, drop lower, respecting that 50 percentage, and good push. And I don't like this sweep. I like to see this kind of candle close, but it's kind of sweeping the high. Let's drop lower. Let me check what's going to happen now. So far it moved 1 to 2.5 though. That's what he's these kind of guys do. That's what these kind of guys doing. So as soon as price give me that 1 to 2, so we mark the draw on liquidity, and price gives a really good reaction, right? Good push. And they got really nice reaction, so I expect some continuation, right? Sounds good. So as soon as Fair Valley Gap got respected, as soon as it's respected, as soon as we get this inversion and it's holding, once we get this candle we enter, the stop will be here, and 1 to 2. I like to see some 1 to 2. Trade higher and consolidate here. Boom. Then what? Consolidation. Drop lower, take this low, respecting this consequent encroachment of the level and trade higher, take this high. Almost 1 to 2. We got this 1 to 2. Nice 1 to 2. And if I'm not wrong, because we can mark the liquidity bro. Let's use our liquidity zone. Reach this spot. we manage our position to here. Let's say if I'm risking this entry, so I'm entering here, put the stop at this point like here. So my entry will be 52 points. So I'm just reducing my risk to 25 points. So now it's 22 points. 50% of the risk has been cut down, and around this level, like around 100 points. Once it reaches 100 points, I take my partials off because it's basically 1:2, right? I take my partials off here, take some partials here, and move my entry to break even here. And let me check what's going to happen here. It's continuing higher towards this high, or it just dump. So if you can see here, in 3 minutes, once we drop lower, and if we go to 5 minutes, you can clearly see a nice break, created a big imbalance here. And if we go to 15 minutes, man, see the candle close. Market open, strong close, strong close, close next candle, and let's create a big imbalance here. If I'm bullish, I like to see some price action inside this range. Mhm. Let's keep on budgeting. This is my decision level, bro. Got it. So price drop down to this level. Expecting if you want to, if you want me to draw this, let me draw this pretty quick. Let them line. Yeah, it's dropped down to the consequent encroachment of the five last formed five valley gap, holding failed to clear out the first leg, and you can clearly see it's just a sweep. It's not a candle close, it's not a displacement, it's not a something. It's a sweep, which means it's lacked displacement. If it's lacked displacement through the swing high after clear of the buy side, the potential of the price to reverse or rebalance to these fair value gaps is higher. So this is a current swing. We got this nice fair value gap right here. Let's keep on consolidating here, and if it's drop down and gives some really good move, we can go for it for sure. If we don't find it, that's it, man. But did I miss this move, or anyone catch that move? Or that move is not something significant. We got tap the family gap, inversion, we got a respect, and we identified that respect, and next candle close above. Let it move to 5 minutes and see what's going on. So there's the last form of earlier. Nice expansion, right? High taken, high taken, boom, good expansion. Break and close, we got a break and close above, and we got a nice gap. So I just want to see it's just a 930 manipulation or it's just a real move. If it is a 930 manipulation, price for sure will come to this point. Just equals, not equals, but pretty much equals. But if it's a real move, we can expect some push towards upside. But let me check the last one of our here. Let me go to 1 minute. So after this good expansion, price kind of consolidating a bit. Let me see. If I'm bullish, I like to see this way, like like this expansion phase. If I just want to mark this out, this expansion phase, and this low to this high, I want to see this is the most this is the more this if I get anything here, 0.756. So this is something. If we get something here, we can target higher prices. Right? Mm. Break this level, drop down to the fair value gap. We got our inversion, boom, and we identify the good aspect. So the next candle trade higher. That's a close above this high. That's what most important. Entry, stop, tight high prices. No, 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 no. It's not going to reverse, bro. There is no signature for me. It's going to reverse. It will use pullback to this. So this is the candle. You should close it, bro. Here you should close it. There's no point for me to hold the position anymore. Drop down to the value gap, fill it 50 percentage. What we see, if we see something like this, we are good. If we see something like this, we just close it. We just close it right here. What happened? It's keep on consolidating here. Swap this liquidity, still holding. Let me see in 3 minutes. Yeah, the last 15 minutes, 5 minutes. This is the full expansion one. If I'm just draw this out, full expansion. Bro. Okay. Holy fuck. See the Harley close. See the Harley fucking close, bro. How the fuck you going to sell this off? Think about it. Strong push, close about 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock is strong cattle close. So I think this will be the draw for today, if I'm not wrong. And we get this big value here. So I don't want to lock myself, bro. I'm a human being, right? I'm a six. I'm a human being. I don't need to close myself, like lock myself out. I don't need to do this kind of stupid stuff. I know my control. I know how much I gonna risk. I know how far I can go, like for the day. How many trades it's is max for me. I know that. I know the risk. I know what should I do, what I shouldn't do. That's it. That's all. That's all I want. Mhm. Multiple, good expansion, accumulation, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, accumulation. After that, it's kind of accumulating so far inside this valley here. Like to see some drop, sweep the low, trade higher, like this. Mhm. As you can clearly see, the variation for respect to No, I don't know. This is just a pullback for the swing, and it's going to hold this fair value gap. And when it's trade back higher, take this high and take this high, and then it's reverse, or then it's just sorry, 9:30 manipulation, and it's come all the way down. No, I don't think so. It's not like a 9:30 manipulation. It's not like a 9:30 manipulation, but even though it's a sell, and how can I optimize that? It has a healthy displacement here, and it has healthy fair value gaps here. Inside this range, I need to look for buy. If it print a buy model, I can enter. Otherwise, I just no entry. That's it, right? As soon as it's sweep the high, we are okay to close the positions inside this range because most probably price come and rebalance this level, and then it's continue higher or it's just reverse. If it is a 9:30 manipulation thing, it will completely reverse and reach this spot. But if I want to see some reversal, I like to see some buy sellers blow, some sellers get in. Like I really want to see something so crazy. I just don't want to like be like, okay, hold, drop lower, drop lower. That's nice. Nice drop, bro. There's if we get the close below, we gotta change the state right here. We gotta change the state plus candle close. But it's real, we can enter and put the stop some high. And this gap is not even getting tapped, it's kind of bleeding so badly. Well, let's go to 5 minutes. Holy, come on, man. Okay, good push to the upside, drop lower to the last 5 minute. Yeah, we go to 15 minutes. If we want to mark the 15 minutes gap, this will be the equilibrium level, right? You got a really good reaction here, you. Let me see whether it's created a file that then you can engage in the trade with writing hypothesis. That's nice. That's not nice. Okay, bro. This how you did that, doing this, Benjamin. Solely because of Benjamin, bro. Yeah, I kind of interested. Like price drop into the 15 minutes gap, especially the 1 minute gap, and we got a really nice inversion, and it's created a parallel again. It's holding. Okay, did it hold anything? That's nice. That's something like it. Uh, Read higher, drop lower, holding. Let's close above. Okay. As soon as I get this inversion, I see this value of holding, and it stayed back above, and it created a gap here. Patience, 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 bro. We got nice inversion, bro. And we also Holding, you got a really nice emotion. Patient. If you get some reactions like a reversal, like let's drop down, respecting this level and trade higher, we can enter, put a stop at the low targeting this high. Okay, always wanted. Come on, man. What the fuck we're doing? కొంచెం panicking అదంతే, but still it's okay. This inversion I should have entered, but I'm waiting for the fat candle to hold or reject or trade higher. It's dropped down. I identified it's holding as soon as it's closer by enter. It is type of this loop. I put here, but this should be the right thing for me to put. Okay. So as soon as this drop into this level, respect and give some reversal, we can enter. We can stop at the low with the confident and item this and this. Okay. If it is not a reversal. Okay. கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் ஒரு கொஞ்சம் இதாதான் இருக்கு. எப்படி சொல்றது? Not feeling that comfortable like GBUSD, but I had to make it comfortable by executing my position, my own idea, my own fucking thing. This is something I have to be focused on. This is where I missed the entry thought. I have to be like check it later. Invest. straight all the way down. We identify this family gap holding. We got a really nice inversion with this family gap. I like to see it's holding. It's close below 50%, but I'm waiting. As soon as it's close above, like displacement, enter my position. Okay, enter my position right here. The stop will be here. So I don't like to see any price reach this spot now. Like the 50%, this spot will be the stop loss. So I'm just waiting to see what will happen inside this gap. If it's dropped down, respect and trade higher, I will enter. Stop at the low, target decide, same thing in my live account. If not, I'm not going to enter any position in my live account. It's just keep it safe for today. Just keep it safe for today, bro. It's not about pressing the button. It's about being patient and to wait for the model to present. I think today I got my salary right. I had to put $100 aside for the buy a new account. Every week, if I get my salary, I just put $100 because it's $149 to buy one eval. So I had to put $100, like $100 aside. Each and every salary, $100 should goes to a different place, especially the profit thing. And I'm just like, fuck. And buy it, just trade with that. Just trade with that. Just give, because because the downside is just that $150. Got it? Because the downside is just that $150. If I pass it, if I get some good entry, if I just pass it, guess what? That's it. If I'm doing pretty good, bro. I'm doing pretty good. I know that. These days I'm not being patient enough to wait for seeing good opportunities. Think about it. Most of the traders, 99% of the traders are losing. They take the losses. They take something called losses. They like even Benjamin, like the person who I want to copy the trade, he's taking like Tuesday he took two losses. Not if I'm not wrong, just one losses. Wednesday he took two losses. Thursday he took two losses and one win. What the hell is that? What's the point then? Sorry, what's the point of copying others? If I want to copy someone, like I want some help, like I accept that I want some help. I'm kind of not in my control. I kind of once if this trade not play out, that's the game begins. Then the game begins. If it's play out, that doesn't matter. I'm just closing it. I'm just go away, just chilling it, just rest of the days. If it's turned to be a loser, if it just come all the way back and stop him out, it has. I just trade with what I see. There's some data given to me, like it's dropped down. This is not a change in the state. This is very weak pullback to the fair value gap, to the 55 minutes gap, and we got a good reaction in 1 minute, like that inversion, and it's created a fair value gap, and luckily that fair value gap holding the price and pushing higher and created a one more fair value gap. So what's the point of? I'm asking one thing is, what's the point of not executing this trade? This is the trade I should execute. If it is an SMT, that's great. If it is an SMT, that's an A plus setup. That's an A plus setup. So I'm just want to trade with someone who is not even taking consistent wins, which means they are controlled when it comes to okay. Now we are ready to see something here. So if the market is bullish, I like to see price hold here. If it's close above, then we have to accept we are wrong. Let me see whether the 50% is respect or not. If it respect, let me move to 30 seconds now. Okay. Okay. Sounds fair enough. Let me see some reaction right here. Some reaction. I can enter a trade, but I like to see some reaction to enter. I don't want to enter any position in my live account. I'm just waiting I'm just waiting to see what's happening here. So so far it's not seems like it's going to hold. So let me hop on to 30 seconds chat. Do I get any reaction here? This is the max I can trust. This will be my stop. Okay. That's a good reaction. That's a good reaction, bro. That's really good reaction. Okay. 30 seconds gives something for me to enter. No panic, no shiver, no nothing, bro. Market will call you out. Bro, this is the entry. You should enter. You should act. You should take. If it just drop down, like if it just drop down to this gap, which means you are 99% wrong. Here, there is no signal for me to go for an entry. Okay. Okay, let me see. If this guy gets ran through, we have an entry. Otherwise, we don't have an entry. Okay. No, we don't have any entries, bro. It's just fucking dumping. So far, it's kind of dumping. So, so we just place a stop here. Let me move my stop in my live account event. It's a good reaction though, but I want to see something so significant, bro. Let me see what's happened here. No, 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 no. So please reach that spot. We're out. We don't have any business. At least we cut our losses. And just move my stop to this place, which is basically 20 pips, 20 points. Yeah, yeah, but it's time to be. I'm gonna work. Fucker. Yeah, bro. It seems like not gonna work. Let me wait. Let me be patient. Let me see. Stay higher, drop lower, get into that inversion to that will be a good reaction so far. Expecting that consequent encroachment. If I'm bullish, I like to see this inversion. Then we are so good. Otherwise, we are not so good. Okay. That's something good. Let me check something. Hmm. Okay. 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 Let me really start to. Because it's already started now. The point of holding it is bullshit. Instead, okay. We are just down for 89. Okay. It's okay. Let me check what's going on right now. Go to the live account. Not bad. Okay. So I'm expecting this to hold, but it's get ran through, and it's what boom, go up. Okay, okay, man. Trade higher towards this inefficiency or what? Boom. I have to check what's wrong, what's wrong, what's wrong, why I'm losing it, why it's not worked today. That's what I want. That's what I want to see. You get it? Trade lower. We got a really good reaction. We entered here. We expected drop to higher, but it's dropped lower. Okay. The market is bearish. It should hold and drop lower, right? Okay. Boom. Trade all the way down. Take this low. So the point of hold marking this out is bullshit. So trade higher. Nothing this gap here. Let me check in 5 minutes. We got a really nice reaction here to 15 minutes, 30 seconds. Okay. Any other reason, any other, if you have any other reason, valid reason to enter, or I'm just waiting to, I'm just kind of like, I'm going tilt mode. I'm just going to take some random fucking position. Whatever I'm saying inside my head, I'm just taking it. I'm just trying to monetize it. What's going on, bro? Let me see, bro. 3 minute, bro. The market is bearish. It should hold this, bro. Trade higher, drop lower, create a days imbalance. We go to 1 minute. It's expecting that 1 minute. That's good. Mhm. 3 minutes. Mhm. Hmm. Oh, 70 nothing. Okay. Hmm. If you're just waiting in this 5 minutes, you can wait to see this gap. If it's hold, if this gap hold, if the price reaches that spot, and if that gap hold, it just technically means you can go for a short and targeting white prices. If that gap get ran through and created a bullish fair value gap, which is basically means you need to Oh, how the hell is closed, bro? It's gonna be 1 minute, right? About the Harley, I don't have cap. It's open up the Harley Valley cap here. Then we have the 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Definitely we will see some value clicking. Yeah, development. The thing is, I identified one thing. I don't know what I'm specifically looking for. First thing, I'm just waiting for something, and it's make good sense. I entered here, and it stopped out. Unfortunate thing. It's okay. Come on, what happened next? We just switched the bias. It's come and sweep the low. We are still higher inside the Harley Fair Valley gap. We are still inside the 15 minutes, and we're just sweeping these lows. Let me see how it's gonna expand. If as per our wish, if this can it close above, we are bullish though. It just swept the low. Let's trade higher. This is the last barrier that holding the price. Nice speed. Let me check. Yes, you have to be patient, bro. Patient. Okay, it's an SMT thing right now. Come on, Q. Last thing. No, it's an SMT thing. No, it's an SMT thing. Maybe close to this level with the creation of this parallel. Just give it a minute. Looks good actually. Alright. No, no. Get an SMT thing. You change the state. I'm expecting to change the state growth. This inversion, it's everything for me. If not, we need to be careful. If this guy not inverted means they're cooked. We will be cooked. Sweat, it's get higher. This is the most important candle which I'm looking for. Okay. Good. Okay, it's that point. Feel heavy. What's the risk here? What's the risk here? It's 36. That's good. Maybe the coordinates need to be different. Yeah, in combine. Let me put like 5 for. Okay. Start at this window. Kind of the buy side. So we got to change the state while getting tab, wait, and can I please? I need to see the 15 5 minutes. Can it close? It's was the most important thing, right? Okay. This will be the final target. But my whole focus is just the 5 minutes. If it close above the 5 minutes, we are so happy. Mhm. If it is inversion, we are so good. If it's not, then we're not good. Let me see. It's almost there's something here. We got this emotion and this break. Let me see the kind of close about though. That's what makes this trade so beautiful, and this is the 5 minute change this trade. We can be like so good, so good. That's nice, no? It's close again. Actually, it's pretty much inverted this level. Let me see this. Nice. Oh, I'm cutting it again. 5 minutes got inverted. So this got inverted. So we are good now. 1 minute, it's relevantly higher. For 40, let me go with 2 more. Okay, very good. So let me plot this for a moment, like last close down there. This data case, this idea, which is created here. This will be the target. So don't be crazy. Just put it here. This is our target. Auto put eval. And understand that so now you can pick an eval. First we do a 3 minutes and so let's input a change the state. 5 minutes. It's fucking bad. We got the animation to get it good. Anyway, start press flowing. That would be $54. And the range it's a bit change the state. If it is an inversion, we are good. If it is not an inversion, if it's falling, the plane is going, it's not good, but not at the same side. Actually, in the direction, yeah, but this guy just holding it, that's the problem. Fun is a really good reaction. Fun that they got a really good fun reaction, right? We got a clean emotion. SMT, we got a clean emotion and we got a clean file and we get getting tagged. So put a stop of it similar and they're expecting the buy side is all drop. It's really fair enough. But I don't know whether it's gonna work out. I really want to see the final statement. I really want to see this final change state, swift emotion. I like to see the change state of big displacement fabric and then we pass with the finish towards this line. But uh, it's good actually. It's inverted prospect, but one displacement capital, which I'm expecting right now. It's that inversion, that fucking inversion, like about will be the solution for me. Let's get cooked. That's so good in our head actually. That's fucking shit. Still holding the price. But shit holding the price. Come on, man, just one inversion. What's wrong with it? If we go to 3 minutes, it's like super good. I can re-enter if we get in instead of modern. But I know I need a fucking composition. Let me see. We already adjust for stop. We already moved everything. Go for it. No, not at all. Come on, man. It'll be that guy. Ora changes the family secretary. Family secretary. Family secretary. Let's fucking happen. Okay. What's the point of closing the trade about the trade? It's fucking so that we're just holding it. Just holding it. I'm here to say just fucking holding. Trade level SMT. We could displace what I just talked here. That's not everything we can do. There's no point for me to talk about the thing. Where's the thing? Good. That 1 minute gap, if it's closed over, yes, sir. We drop down to 3 minutes. Well, good. Drop down. Respect that gap. Good direction. Trend. Trade above the side. It just basically means Hmm. Yeah, that's it. So do we party showdown on this? You are already after. Incoming. Let's get it from the highlights. Really, I can't find the map. Close for the moment. Rest in the Mm. Well, it's $500, but just close it. Come from me. It's okay. I'm back. How much you have in common? It's 238. That's nice. Two 13. Yeah, 14 minutes, 26, nothing much. That's just interesting. So we are up $300 below. Mm. Only up at 340, but just let me close it. Is there anything we can do? Should be the push. Yeah. Done for the day. 369 lockout it. Yeah, but sure, I got the one actually. The question I get is for a long minute. Decent amount. Okay. It's more around Indian. I എടുക്കുന്നില്ലല്ലോ DSP, but conversion manipulation, distribution, learning entry, stuff at the hand. The trial on the version of the same thing. Honest one. Clean SMT, clean change the state of delivery. It's the learning entry step with the slow. In the higher type primary motivation. In the higher type primary game over. Higher pay the chan. In the higher pay place with the chan. Game level. Most developer. In the higher type. In the higher type. In the other places. అసలు కొంచెం పైంది చూస్తున్నాను లాస్ట్ మంత్ మనం பார்த்தேன். చూస్తున్నాను దాంట్లో వచ్చి ஒரு $550 $600 மூடிட்டு இருந்தேன். That's close பண்ண க்ளோஸ் பண்ண பிரேக் ப்ராப்பர் பிரேக் ஓவரால் பார்க்குறப்போ எவ்வளோ ஒரு $124 கொஞ்சம் டிஷன் க்ளோஸ் பண்ண வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க பிரேக் ஈஸி பிரேக் Entry bro, யோசிக்க தேவையில்ல ப்ரோ. நீங்க பரவாயில்ல கேட்பீங்க இன்வெர்ட் ஆயிடுச்சா இங்கே என்ட்ரி இன்வெர்ட் ஆயிடுச்சா மற்ற என்ட்ரி ஸோ லாங் போகிறேன் இந்த இடத்துல ஸ்டாப் லாஸ் வைக்கிறோம் டார்கெட்டு இன்டர்நெட் இதுதான் வச்சுட்டு இன்டர்நெட் டார்கெட் தான் பார்ப்பேன். ஸோ we're going to SMT இந்த ஹையெல்லாம் போய் எடுத்துருச்சுங்க அதான் இப்போ சேலஞ்சாக கால் பண்ணி to be go more to 3 minutes is it's an inversion element. But a proper inversion could draw to the discounted fair value gain. What we got as a reaction is bullish candle close above 50% of the fair value gap. So I entered here. Let me stop at this point. Let me check what's going to happen. For the patience there. And it's inverted the 1 minute gap. If it's inversion, I like to see this hold. If it's not, then it most probably will get stopped out here. That's all. Scan. அதுக்கு வந்து என்ன கண்டிஷன் இருந்தா ஓகேவா you 1% is almost 90% of the issue record ஆயிடுச்சு purchase document போட்டாச்சு எனக்கு ரீசன் லிமிட் நேரத்தில் 5% இப்போ க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிடுவேன் ஆமாம் எடுத்து அடிச்சிருச்சு I think that's what people are looking for loans. I'm not kind of also put my times up. That's the other thing. So clean and bro. Finalize family care. Very balance to the loss from family gap. Go upload. We clear up this load. Put the lesson to break. And it's see it's இப்ப இங்க வந்து அந்த ஹை எடுத்தாச்சு bro. அந்த பிளான் பண்ண பத்தி அந்த டிஓ பாயிண்ட் போட்ட ஹை இங்க எடுத்துருச்சு. இடத்துல எடுத்துருச்சு. ஸோ அதுக்கப்புறம் டிஓ பை பண்ண சொல்றேன். எடுத்தாச்சு. ஹையை போய் எடுத்தாச்சு. காத்துட்டு இது எடுத்துட்டுனா ஆயிரும். எல்லாமே இன்ஜினியர் லிக்விடிட்டி ரைட். என்னோட ஸ்வீப் நடக்குது. ஓகே ஸ்வீப் ரீபேலன்ஸ் டு திஸ் இது already it's get invest, but that is not value created and nothing, right? So it's trade higher. Fail to clear up this high, instead it's break this level. So it could be in potential as something. Yeah. Let's break this level with a good nice displacement with this value there. So we enter here, start with a high targeting one. Targeting like this. No SMT at all. But I'm bullish SMT to be honest. Bearish SMT, but there is no other SMTs. The time is 12 o'clock. What happened, bro? It's no SMT. Okay. Let's price trade down to that breaker to that 50 to 60 equilibrium level. And we got a really good inversion here. Enter, put the stop with a swing low. Okay. Decent pullback for this swing. And we again got an inversion. Break, right? Again we got an inversion. Break. Recent fair value gaps. So that's more than enough, right? There is only that if this get immersed, we can clearly extract this. Then we go to 3 minutes. That's so good. So it's fair to take this 10 o'clock high. हाँ bro. Like very plain weather by him or not. Plain weather. Combines. Oh, we take that account back to a decent place, bro. Decent place. Account இன்னும் downல தான் இருக்கு. But I know it's a nice amount. Okay. They still managed to yes, yes. This is okay. At least plus level. Hmm. Yes. Holy fuck, no. Call Mr. Nimlan. Nimlan. What should I do right? Hey, no, not going on. என்ன ப்ரோ பண்றீங்க? ஃபைட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கியா? விட்ரு 50. ஓ! ஓகே, ஓகே. ம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டே புடிச்சிட்டியா அந்த பை அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டே புடிச்சிட்டியா? வாட் த ஃபக் யூ ஆர் டூயிங் தட் ப்ரோ? நானும் பை தான் பண்ணேன். பட் ஆனா லேட்டா பண்ணேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டு ஸ்டாப் வாங்கிட்டேன். அப்புறம் அடுத்த பை கொஞ்சம் கிளீனா பண்ணேன். பட் ஆனா அது அது எப்படி சொல்றது? அது மூவே ஆகல. பொசிஷன குளோஸ் எந்த செல் இப்ப அந்த கடைசியா ஒரு செல் வந்துச்சு அது பண்ணியா? இன்டர்னல் ஸ்வீப்பா? ம். பை பண்ணிட்டியா? ஓ! இல்லையே! ஓ! மார்க்கெட் ஓப்பனுக்கு முன்னாடி அந்த 18 ஃபேர் வேல்யூ ஆக்கலான்னு. ம், ம், ம். ம், ம். ஓ! ம், ம். ம், ம், ம். சூப்பர் ப்ரோ. ப்ரோ இப்பதான் இன்னைக்கு நானும் எடுத்தேன் ட்ரேட் 2 ட்ரேட் எடுத்தேங்க. ஈஆர்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ட்ரேட் லாஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். அந்த அந்த 15 மினிட் ஃபேர் வேல்யூ உள்ள வந்துட்டு ஒரு இன்வெர்ஷன் பாத்தியா அது? ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டே இன்வெர்ஷன் ஆயி உள்ள ஹோல்ட் ஆயி மேல பம்ப் பண்ணோனே பை பண்ணேன். அது அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டார்கெட் பண்ணேன். பார்த்தா அது ஸ்டாப் அடிச்சு எஸ்எம்டி பிரிண்ட் ஆயி திருப்பி ஒரு என்ட்ரி மாடல் குடுத்தது பை மாடல். அதுல திருப்பி பை பண்ணிட்டேன். அதுல பை பண்ணிட்டு ஒரு $500ல அது 590 லாஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். சோ $500 ஒரு அந்த அரவுண்ட்ல பார்த்து ஃப்ளோட்டிங்லயே கன்சாலிடேட் ஆயிட்டு இருந்தது. ஆ. லைவ்லயா? ஓ! ஓகே, ஓகே, ஓகே. நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைவ்ல ட்ரேட் பண்ணலடா. நீ எப்பயுமே நீ அதுவும் பண்ண முடியாது. நான் அதுவும் பாஸ் பண்ற ஸ்டேஜ்ல வச்சிருக்கீல. ஓ! இப்ப நானும் எலிஜிபிள் ப்ரோ. இப்பதான் பார்த்தேன். ஒரு $400 $440 ரெக்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணேன் நானு. புரியல. ஒண்ணதிலயா? இல்ல நானும் தான் பார்த்தேன். எனக்கு 2 அக்கவுண்ட் இருக்குல்ல. ஒரு அக்கவுண்ட் ரெக்கவர் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் டவுன்ல தான் இருக்கு அது. இன்னொரு அக்கவுண்ட்ல சும்மா செக் பண்ணி பார்த்தேன். பார்த்தா அதுல ஆல்ரெடி $800 ப்ராஃபிட்ல இருந்தது. சரி உள்ள போய் ரெக்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணலாமா? பிரைவேட்டா தான் இதா இருக்கான்னு பார்த்தா $400 பண்ணலாம். அந்த மாரி $440 பண்ணலாம். அதான் இப்ப அதான் இப்ப ரெக்வெஸ்ட் பண்ண போறேன். யோசிக்காம. ம். புரியுது, புரியுது, புரியுது. அதான் நானும் இப்போ லாஸ்ட் டைமே நான் பண்ண தப்பு அது. யோசிச்சு இப்போ $200 வேஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன். 200ன்னா $300 2 அக்கவுண்ட் வாங்கியிருக்கலாம் அதுல. ம். தப்பு நீ அப்பயே சொன்ன நான் ஆனா அத கேட்கல. சரி அப்போ கொஞ்சம் கான்ஃபிடன்ட் லெவல் கொஞ்சம் அதிகமா இருந்தது. சரின்னு பார்த்தா இப்போ $440 எடுத்துடலாம். எடுத்துட்டு அப்புறம் கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா ட்ரேட் பண்ணி கூட ரெக்கவர் பண்ணிடலாம். ஆனா இதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து நீ சொன்ன மாரி இந்த ஒரு 10 நாளைக்கு ட்ரேட் பண்ணாம இருக்கிறது பெட்டரா இருக்கும்னு நெனைக்கிறேன் ப்ரோ. ம். ஏன்னா நானும் இன்னைக்கே யோசிச்சேன். இன்னைக்கே நான் எடுக்கக்கூடாதுன்னு தான் வந்தேன். பட் ஆனா சரி ஓகே. எனக்கு என்னன்னா ப்ரோ இந்த நீ செல் பண்ணன்னு சொன்னீல லாஸ்ட்டா. அது ஆக்சுவலா நான் பை பொசிஷன்ல இருந்தா அந்த இடத்துல என்னோட ப்ராஃபிட்ட என்னோட எப்படி சொல்றது? அந்த இடத்துல கன்சாலிடேட் ஆயிடுச்சு. அங்க ஆல்ரெடி இஎஸ்ல போய் அந்த ஹை எல்லாம் எடுத்துருச்சு. சோ அதுக்கு மேல அத ஹோல்ட் பண்ண வேணாம். குளோஸ் பண்ணிடுவோம். ஃப்ரைடே வேறன்னு சொல்லி குளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன் பட்டு பட்டுன்ட்டு. 300 20, 30ல ஃப்ளோட் ஆயிட்டு இருந்த ப்ராஃபிட் வந்து 200ல க்ளோஸ் பண்ணதுல சாட்டிஸ்ஃபையிங் ஆகாம திருப்பி அந்த செல் பண்ணிட்டேன் ப்ரோ பட்டன் அந்த இடத்துல. இந்த ஒரு அக்குமுலேட் ஆகி டக்குன்னு ஒரு சேஞ்ச் ஸ்டேட் குடுத்துச்சுல்ல. பட்டுன்னு ஒரு 2 கான்ட்ராக்ட் செல் பண்ணிட்டு நீ சொன்னீல குயிக் அண்ட் 1:1 அந்த அடுத்த 3 மினிட்ஸ் வேல்யூ கேப்ல போனோனே டக்குன்னு க்ளோஸ் பண்ணல வந்துட்டேன். ம். ஆனா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பை நீ புடிச்சிருந்தீன்னா புடிச்சிருக்குன்னா சூப்பர் ப்ரோ. சூப்பரான ஒரு என்ட்ரி அது. ஆனா அது எப்படி அத புடிக்கிறதுன்னு தான் தெரியல எனக்கு அது. அந்த டைம்ல நம்ம அதான் சொல்றேன்ல. அந்த டைம்ல அது எப்படி சொல்றது? அ பயமா இருக்குன்னு இல்ல. மார்க்கெட் ஓப்பன்ல. அந்த என்ட்ரி ப்ரோ நீ எடுத்தது வந்து பக்காவான என்ட்ரி. கிளீனான டார்கெட்டு. அங்க 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 ஃபார்ம் ஆன எல்லா ஃபேர்வெல் கேப்பும் சூப்பரா ஒர்க் அவுட் ஆயிருக்கு. அடுத்து அடுத்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, அந்த 1 மினிட்ல ஒரு சூப்பரான ஒரு 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 திருப்பி ஒரு பிரைஸ் ஆக்ஷன் நடந்து சூப்பரா ஒர்க் அவுட் ஆயிருக்கு. ஆனா, அந்த டைம்ல எடுக்கிறதுக்கு எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் பயமாவும், ஹெசிடேஷனாவும் இருக்கு. ஏன்னா, அது மேனிப்புலேஷனா இல்லடா. இல்லடா. இது மேனிப்புலேஷனா? ரியல் மூவா? நார்மல் டைம்னா அது ரியல் மூவ்ன்னு சொல்லி நான் எடுப்பேன் ஒரு கான்ஃபிடென்ட்ல. இப்போ வந்து இது ம். புரியுது. சப்மிட் பண்ணிட்டேன் ப்ரோ. 440 440 ரெக்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன் ப்ரோ. ஓ! ஃபோன்ல பண்ண முடியாதா? சூப்பர் ப்ரோ. கிரேட். இப்ப இன்னைக்கு நான் பே அவுட் எடுக்க போறேன்னு கூட எனக்கு தெரியாது ப்ரோ. அதான் மேட்ரு. எனக்கு பே அவுட் எடுக்க போறேன். அந்த அக்கவுண்ட் அக்கவுண்ட் கண்டிஷன் கூட நான் பார்க்கல. சும்மா 2 ட்ரேட் பண்ணேன். ஓகே. நான் லைவ்ல ஆனா ஈவால அடி வாங்கிட்டேன். அத திருப்பி ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன். பிரேக்கன் கிட்ட வச்சிருக்கேன். ஏன்னா ஈவால நம்ம எடுக்கிற ட்ரேடே பக்காவா இருக்கணும். ட்ரேடே அடி விழுந்துருச்சு. ஆமா அதான் சொல்றேன்ல நீ ஈவால் ட்ரேட் பண்றப்போ 2 ட்ரேடு பக்காவா 2 ட்ரேட் பிளேஸ் பண்ணிட்டியா முடிஞ்சுச்சு. 75 70, 75 பாயிண்ட்ஸ். அதான் சொல்றேன். 70 பாயிண்ட்ஸ், 75 பாயிண்ட்ஸ். ஸ்டாப் லாஸ் வராம ரீச் ஆயிடுச்சா முடிஞ்சு குளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டு போயிடணும். 2 கிளீன் ட்ரேட் எடுத்துட்டீங்கனாலே நீ அந்த இன்னைக்கு பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கீல்ல, கிட்ட கொண்டு வச்சுட்ட. ஃபினிஷிங் லைன் பக்கத்துல இருக்கு. சோ பொறுமையா ட்ரேட் பண்ணி பாஸ் பண்ணிட்டா போதும் முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. $42 ரிஸ்க் பண்ணி $42 அடிச்சீனாலே முடிஞ்சுச்சு. ஆமா. நான் என்ன தெரியுமா பண்ணுவேன், அந்த $42 எடுக்கிறதுக்கு 50 இல்ல 100 $200 ரிஸ்க் பண்ணுவேன். அவங்களுக்கு பொறுமை பத்தலடா. இன்னைக்கே வந்து ஒரு என்ட்ரி செகண்ட் செல் என்ட்ரி பொறுமையாலாம் எடுக்கல. இம்பல்சிவா தான் எடுத்தேன். அது தெரியுது மாடல் தான். பட் ஆனா அதான் சொல்றேன். அது மாடல் தான் தெரியுது. அங்க இஎஸ்ல நகையெல்லாம் எடுத்துருச்சு. இதுக்கப்புறம் பிரைஸ் மேல போறதுக்கான சான்சஸ் இல்ல. லிக்விடிட்டி நெறைய எடுத்தாச்சு. நல்லா இன்டர்னல்ல ஸ்வீப் பண்ணிட்டு நல்ல சேஞ்சிங் த ஸ்டேட். அட்லீஸ்ட் அந்த இந்த 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 புல்லிஷ் லெக்குக்கு ஒரு 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 புல் பேக்காவது குடுக்கும். அப்டின்ற ஒரு ஒரு பல பல இத என்னை போட்டு கன்வின்ஸ் பண்ணி எடுத்துட்டேன் ப்ரோ பட்டுன்னு. எடுத்து லைட்டா மூவ் ஆனாலும் பிரேக் பண்ணி வச்சுட்டேன். ஓகே, ஓகே ப்ரோ பார்க்கலாம் நைட்டு. நைட் ஏதாவது எடுத்துட்டு வா சாப்பாடு ஏதாவது. மறக்காத. ஓகே ப்ரோ. சூப்பர். Come on. This is what is trading. Rich. What was managed? And analyze payout. That was a review. And translation more towards records. That's not submit to it. Concept removed. But the only going to be the put of the Okay. Holy fuck. No, it's going anywhere. Bhai side எல்லாமே cover ஆகுதா? Something இதெல்லாம் search. Enter partials into multiplication. What I added up to this point. First, okay. First entry, second entry. Online. Online. I think I have a different cautious. Circumference. Electronic approach to motorists. Not right now. The chemistry is not good. Okay. Entonces yo le Wow. No me quedaste por el Paso por la Paso por tengo esa opción de ir a ver ahí no. Y es poco. இப்போ சொன்னாங்க எப்போ உனக்கு கொஞ்சம் டைம் கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு ஏதாவது அரேஞ்ச் பண்றேன் cheap day I need $5,000 to do 5,000 after getting she won in 2 3 days I can give you $500 but pretty days இல்ல no money I am 2 3 days and this what is Sunday Sunday I work to the 8 and then how 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 11 3 4 5 6 7 6 7 basically 5.5
ना मजा इन्फॉर्म करना है मुझे तो नहीं लगा मीटिंग है और सब है हाँ दोनों वाला दिया अरे ना हाँ नंबर हम्म 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 ಮೊದಲ್ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಕಾಶ ಹಾ ಸಾಲ್ತಮ್ಮ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ವೀಕ್ 3% 2 weeks 6%. பைசா அசைடா அது போறாங்க சாப்பிடுறோ சாப்பிடுறோ உனக்கு சிக்கன் இருக்கு சாப்பிடுறியா போட்டு எடுத்துட்டு போயிருக்கா
நீ சாப்பிட்டு 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 ஒன்று போதுமா?
எனக்கு போகும்
ஓகே ஓகே தேங்க்யூ. ஓகே
இந்த டப்பால அப்படியே எடுத்து போட்டு
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே
கையெல்லாம் போடல
ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. ரீசன் ஹையர் லோ சொல்லுமா. இல்லம்மா இன்னும் சாப்பிடல. ம் 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 ம்
சரி சரியா 1500 போகுமா
ம்
இது வேணுமா வேணா வாங்கிக்கலாம் எனக்கு இப்ப தேவை
ம் 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 ம்
ஏப்ரல் தான் மார்ச் ஏப்ரல் தான் கட்டலாம் பாக்கி ரெண்டெல்லாம் ஊருக்கு காசு ஊரே எடுத்தது
ம்
டேய் நான் எனக்கு காசு போகணும் நான் உன்கிட்ட நான் எடுத்து போனேன்
ம்
2000 போதுமா அப்படின்னு சார்
ம்
மச்சான் எனக்கு தேவையான பிரச்சனை கிடையாது நான் வேணும்னா சொல்லலாம்
ம்
2000 ஒரு 5 மினிட்ஸ் மச்சான் மாசம் கையை கேட்கணும்
என்னமா? இருக்கு இருக்கு. ம் 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 சரி. ம் என்னம்மா? ம் 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 ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லைம்மா பார்த்துக்கிறேன். இல்ல இல்ல சும்மா 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 இருமல் மட்டும் தான். போட்டுருவோம். நான் உனக்கு ஒரு 2 நாள்ல பாத்துட்டு அனுப்பிவிடுறேன். ஒரு நாளைக்கு, நாளான்னைக்கு பாத்துட்டு தான் அனுப்பிவிடணும். இந்த நட கொஞ்சம் கம்மியா தான் வந்தது. ஏன்னா இந்த நட நான் வேலைக்கு ஒரு நாள் போகலன்னா இல்ல அன்னன்னைக்கு போறதுக்கான சம்பளம் தானே. ம் 6,000 7,000 வந்துரும். ம். எப்பயும் 600 கிட்ட வரும். இப்ப 500 வந்துச்சு அவ்வளவுதான். 300 கிட்ட வருங்க. என்ன மாரி? புரியல. அமௌண்ட்டுக்கு 500 25 ஆமா. ம். நான் வேணா இந்த வாரத்துக்கு பாத்துக்கிறேன். அடுத்த வாரம் வேலை இருக்காதுங்க. லீவு கிறிஸ்மஸ்னால. கிறிஸ்மஸ்னால லீவுமா. 2 வாரத்துக்கு லீவு தான். ம்.